Hey guys, what's up today? Welcome to another new beautiful day on the Daily Random Vlog. You know where we are, you know what we're doing. I don't gotta tell you guys that anymore. Remember yesterday Chad hurt his baby. He hurt his X-Max and he fixed it already because he's just like that. You guys want to see what he did? Do you want to show them what you did? Of course he wants to show them.
Got the front and the rear bumper braces, all RPM. Front and the rear diff gears, all upgraded hardened steel.
Oh, you did the diff gears last night?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
And both the rear hubs.
So they can't really see the diff gears, but they'll probably hear that. It'll probably sound quite different. You can see the brand new bearing, the new bearing carrier. Did you do both sides or just the one? Yeah. Right on. And then you were showing me the front, right?
Yep. I think if you do both all this.
Well, you can buy that.
Thanks. And actually, just the way the light's sitting against it, it looked like it was alloy at first. The mighty X-Max. And he's gonna try not to have any breakage today. But we can only do what we can only do, right? Of course, Hef is deathly in love with his tactical TRX4, and I mean, can you blame him?
No, I like this truck.
It is a good truck. Jogging pants?
Hey,
This boy's from the country. Look at that. He's
prepared to fall down again.
To politely call them, I can't say what we used to call them back on the farm, but they're pig poop boots.
Hey,
I am a pig and shit right now too. Right, RC.
So he goes ahead and says it anyway. And of course, Matt's TRX4, the little trooper itself. He's running the Crawler Edition Mombax controller. What's the kilovolts on the motor? You can't
I
remember?
think it's like a 33 kV.
2280 kV, yeah.
What is that?
Okay, 2280.
That's
Wait,
no drip
lithium
oil.
grease? Oh. No drip? Well, it's dripping. And the deadbolt, of course, you guys know the deadbolt. Winch is all set up and ready to go. Alright, let's hit us some trails. Snow thrower. It's the insane amount of chuck. Oh, somebody else is going to have some fun. Yeah, we're recording.
Ooh, that was gnarly. Yeah, need a little more of a run. Yeah, that's where we brought the X-Max, right about there. Yep. What are you running for gearing? Yeah. Need a little more gearing. Some more top end speed.
So we're just kind of scattered all throughout the trail now. But a good meetup so far, lots of people. Now this is, okay, so this is the trail, right? Off-roading.
Oh, these grip way better.
But I just thought I'd stop and show you guys a little bit of what you really don't get to see between filming shots. And the whole, we're already off-roading being on the trail, right? So, oh man. So going down there, that is like off-roading from the trail. Off-trailing? Okay, I gotta put this camera away so I can actually pay attention to what I'm doing. Ooh, there's a tree there. It's just chaos, total gridlock, man. It has like way down there. Nice. I'm going down to the other log, I think. It's chaos over here. Well, kind of a little update. My headlight pod fell out because I only did hot glue. And I lost the grill. That side's got a grill. That side doesn't have a grill. That's okay. I got another one at home. I'll just have to pop in there. Holy crud. Let's try that again. Without the falling this time. Yeah. Well, the truck took a tumble and I just about replicated what it did with my body. It's not a safe spot over here, man. Oh no! Oh no!
We both took it.
Oh! You just got a makeover by an X-Max.
Yeah, shooting stuff at me.
Oh my. This is the log that I wiped out on yesterday. You guys didn't actually get to see how gnarly the end I fell on is. Right there. That's like getting skewered in freaking tribal times or something. I don't know. It's dangerous, so don't ever try and film from that side of the hill. Oh no! No! Stop! He stopped. Well, that wasn't too bad. haven't tried the zoom feature on this camera yet, so let's see what it does. Wait a second, how does that work? It's not zooming. There we go. That's fully zoomed in. This is Kettle Creek, by the way. This is about how high Kettle Creek has to be in order to really have a good clear run all the way down the port. I gotta figure out how to zoom out now. It's a weird camera. Let's zoom in, let's zoom out. Zoom out. Alright, they're zoomed out. You can notice there's a foundation right across here. Right at the edge of the creek. And then it comes all down lowered there like a platform. I wonder if they're actually moving stuff down to port from here, like just farm using a boat in the creek when the creek was higher in the older days. I don't know. It's never usually this high. Usually you see rock bed and stuff. Yeah, we're crawling here. And then we decided maybe it's not the smartest or safest idea, because if your truck rolls away from you downhill and you don't catch it, yeah. Are you trying to test me? Trust me, I wouldn't want to see any of the trucks end up down there, man.
Oh, it would suck. I go for a swim though for my truck.
You go swimming and I'd start the fire to warm you back up after. No hypothermia for you.
No, I see my way up.
I know, it kind of looks like there would be a nice crawl line. You got her. I really hope all this footage turns out decent. It's always about trying to keep a certain amount of quality to it. The iPhone is a good quality, but it's a pain, a royal pain to work with. Vegas Pro just fights it the whole way. And it shouldn't, because it should, you'd think a more detailed camera like the Canon would present more of a fuss for it. Ooh, be careful. Sorry about that, guys. I was just shifting over in case I have to be quick. Like right now. All is well. So how's your heart rate right now? Going back up. It's dangerous crawl. Oops. What about up over to the right? Yeah. Looks to be enough ground, like earthy material to get your tires out. Easy. He's like, oh, I see a better climb. Floor it. You're still on the hill. Oh, geez. I keep watching the truck and not through the viewfinder or whatever. So I end up losing my on-screen. I think if you go back to that other spot, you just give it a little bump with that, you should be able to get up there. At least there's a lot of brush right underneath where you are right now, eh? So if you do have a tumble there, at least that'll catch it. That's when you need a grappling thing? Something to launch your winch line up ahead of you?
Hilarious.
Hilarious. It'd be friggin' awesome. Oh. And you can't back up like an inch and get that. Oh. Ah! Into the bush.
That's okay. Go for a hike myself.
Now, so they can kind of get an idea of what the angle Matt up on the hill. Yeah. I know I only end up ever burning through one battery. Ooh, you alright?
I'm good.
There. Yeah. No more hilarity and joking about falling out here on the trail. I actually learned my lesson. It hurts. If you fall on the wrong thing, holy crap. Oh.
Guess we gotta turn around, I guess. We do a crash.
I'm gonna give you a push. Work. You might have a bent rim on your bike, but I mean, you never ride it anyways. Gosh. This right here gets a little too mud boggy. I've only got my 27 turn motor in there, and I don't want to like cook it trying to get up and through all that. Oh yeah. This is actually where Matt popped his servo. Give her some wheel speed. Oh, just churning it. Wow. Whoa, is that you letting off, or is that the truck slowing itself down? Alright. Yeah, that's a good spot right there, man. No, ain't happening. You following me through? Okay. Hang on, let me come down here.
You got a river going on. Wow, that's a lot of mud pushing around.
Ooh. I bet you're glad you're wearing rubber boots, eh?
Oh, yeah.
I gotta get my set a pair of those for spring. Get her done. Having fun while getting her done. And because he's not here, we're doing it for Dale. You hear that, Dale? We're doing this for you, bud. We wish you were here, but we understand you're stuck in the moor of frogs. That little tree just stopped us. This is where we were kind of somewhat urban exploring yesterday, folks. For those who watch the videos, you probably recognize it. But there, that's where I wanted to make it to. So I could park the truck there and show you guys that. That's one of those stones we pulled up and set up here. It's just like the trail shrine of sorts. You guys want to hear something really messed up?
Sure.
Okay. Changed out my battery. I took the 3S out. I put the 2S in. When I plugged the 2S in, I didn't get the beep, beep, beep.
Really?
But it was on. Turned my steering. Truck moved. Drove it 5 feet and it shut down.
Wow.
Drove another 5 feet and it shut down. You know what happened?
No.
It rerouted the power from this battery through this ESC into that ESC and ran the truck.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's strange.
Figure that out.
Yeah, I never heard of that before.
Yeah, so I just gotta make sure my winch is still... Oh, I haven't even plugged it back in yet. Okay, well, I'm gonna take care of that, and I think we're just probably working our way out right now.
Yeah, we keep stopping and playing around in the mud.
That's okay, though. I'm having fun. I may sound grumpy today, which is why I haven't been speaking very much to the vlog, but...
I hear you. I'm having it one of them days, too.
A lot of people are having a bad day today. Just a grumpy day. Nobody knows really why. It just happening.
Wife is grumpy, too.
That time of the year.
Time of the year, that's every day, bud.
Time of the month? No, that time of the year. The time of the day.
Oh, no.
Oh, no there, brother.
Oh, come on.
I got you. I'll give you a little push.
I don't know if I'm jammed on a knot or something there.
Funk.
Oh, that's not working.
Okay.
Oh no!
Both stuck.
No way.
Oh, there we go.
It's got to be a knot or something right there. See, I'm all right up.
There you go. Oh yeah. Yep. Nice pokey jabby sticking through there. No, another stick sticking straight up from underneath. Oh, this camera just hit low battery. So this may be the last trailing shot of the evening. Oh no.
My floodlight won't work today. Oh, look at the flex in the tire.
Look at that. Buddy.
That's cool.
See, Matt can match that.
That's a nice flex there.
Oh, you're pumpkin.
Good one yet? Oh,
He's pumpkin. I actually think I got it on camera. There you go. Come on now, I'll be nice to the deadbolt.
Just a little rub.
Well, I didn't scrub it clean, but I did clean it up and oil everything down again. It's a pretty good thing, getting out there and getting the trucks nice and muddy that way. It's a pretty awesome time. I'd say, you know, it's holding out rather well. So if you're looking into getting a scale truck, I'll tell you right now, a stock SCX-10 kicks some pretty serious butt out on the trail. And again, the only thing you're really going to want to upgrade almost right away is the transmission gears. And if you've got the extra, the tires, South Coast Hobbies and Rides has lots of great stuff. I mean, lots of great options when it comes to rims and tire combo. These are just the stock Maxxis Trepador. Are these the Maxxis tires? I do believe they are. Yes, they are. They say they are. Oh, let me tell you, I just had a whole bunch of really actually interesting stuff, and for some reason deleted it right afterwards. Yes. So, I'm going to try my best to recall what I meant to say. Out on the trail earlier, there's something that kind of made me think, you know, the Trepadors, the 1.9s, they are, the tires I'm talking about, they are doing good. They are actually doing fairly well for stock rim and tire combination. And along the main parts of the trail, they do provide that extra challenge, not having just a big tire with gnarly tread. Sometimes it is about that, testing that driver skill, your ability to pilot that truck through some of that gnarly stuff that we do. But remember that off-road section I showed you, and that happens a lot, and the truck could really benefit from having the 2.2s on there, simply because that's not regular terrain. To that scale of truck, that's like going through a whole forest of downed trees. It provides that extra challenge where you kind of need. Hang on a second. Hang on. You kind of need the 2.2 on there. Yeah, they're still a little dirty. But to the point, I think I'm going to throw those back on for now until I can get a more gnarly 1.9 to put on there. And then I'll be satisfied. I don't really need to do a lot to that truck. That's a good truck. But there's other things I meant to say, and I can't remember what I had said before. Here's one of them. I remembered. Okay, a couple of days ago, I announced the sticker, the Decal giveaway. A Decal, in case those who don't know, is a special kind of sticker where you peel and stick, and then you peel the front vinyl layer off, and then it's a Decal. I really don't know how else to describe it other than it's like the most amazing sticker you'll ever stick because it lasts a lot longer. They look a lot better. They've got a little more depth to them. That's why you see people using vinyls on cars, because a vinyl is just, it's better, it lasts longer. Yeah. So in this vinyl Decal giveaway doohickam-a-bobber, tiny trucks vinyl, the South Coast large and small, a few of each, the Canadian flag because we are Canadian. But there you go. That we're gonna actually do the actual giveaway probably tomorrow. So if you're still watching right now, make sure you tune in tomorrow, and that's when you're gonna need to like leave a comment or just make sure you've got certain pages. Like I'm sure you've seen giveaways before. Wherever you live, even if you're on the other side of the planet, we're gonna send those out to you if you are the winner of those, and then you can represent South Coast Hobbies, tiny trucks from wherever you are in the world. That's pretty cool. I think so anyways. As for the vlog tonight, this is about it. I have been fighting to stay awake since I got home. I'm mostly done the edit. I just gotta finish filming this, and then I get to go to bed. It'll be bedtime. Then my day will be over, and we can start a new day tomorrow. Yay! Anyhow, it's been a pretty good day. Yeah, maybe not like Ice Cube good, but it's been a pretty good day. Yeah. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Please, it would mean the world to me. I'm fighting very hard to get this channel up over 1,000 subscribers. And then we can really start cooking on something here. Click like if you like today's video. I have a feeling it'll be a good video when it's all done. And on that note, I want to sit down, edit, go to bed, and just start a new day tomorrow. Thanks again for watching. If you want to stay positive, you gotta think positive. Keep a smile on your face, and we'll see you here tomorrow. Good night. Vlog over.